Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the Intelligent Timetable Manager project using Python. So this will be the complete dashboard. Okay, so there will be a dashboard, timetables, upload CSV, generate timetable, workload and reports sections. Okay, so here you can upload the CSV file and this will be the complete dashboard where it will show the details, and this will be the workload management. Now let's upload the CSV file. You have to first select the type teachers and select that particular file and then click on upload button. Okay, and one select one more file for the subjects and then click on upload file. So like that you have to upload 7 to 8 files for different file types and click on upload file. So the model will process all the files and generate the timetable. Okay, in the right hand side you can see we are uploading the multiple files. Let's select for students and click on upload file. So total 8 file processed successfully. Now click on generate timetable. This will be the CSV file for the classrooms, and the other one is the subjects, subject ID, subject name, and teacher name, department, maximum hours, and email. So let's enter details like timetable generation setting, timetable name, new timetable, semester. You have to select the semester, semester 1, academic year 2024, and the descriptions, test unit, and then click on the generate timetable. So the model will load and it will generate the timetable. So note, make sure you have uploaded all the necessary data like teacher, subjects, classroom, time slot before generating a timetable. This will be a particular note. It will take a little bit time to generate the timetable. Let's check out. The model is processing. Let's open the new tab. Click on it and load that particular section. You can see it will show the status as draft for the new timetable one. Timetable semester, academic year, status created and actions. So once it completed, then it will change the status. Now it will generate the timetable, and if you refresh it, it will change the status like active in the green color. Okay, now the timetable generated. You can see date wise and the week wise with the different subjects like time, subject, teacher name, and classroom. You can also download the timetable report. Monday schedule, Tuesday schedule, Wednesday schedule. Like that, it will generate the report for different week with time, subject, teacher, class, and rooms. Okay, this will be the complete timetable. And if you click on the workload, then it will open the workload management for teacher and will show the department, current hours, maximum hours, and utilization. Let's click on logout button and now sign up with different section. So just click on the register section. You have to just select the enter the details and you can registration as teacher. Now I already registered, so I'm just log in with the teacher detail, entering the email and password. Then click on the sign in button. Okay, it will open the dashboard. So David, welcome Dr. David. And it will show the timetable with the particular week wise. Total 5 hours, maximum 21 hours, utilization 24%. Let's log in with a different user, ishan2@gmail.com, password, then click on sign in button. We'll open the teacher dashboard. Just click on the workload. It will show the workload and timetables. You can also click on the view button. So it will show the complete timetable. Now just go back and log in with different section. You have to first sign up with the students detail, registration. I'm entering the details. So if user have to log in with the details, then first they have to sign up with the section, then they have to log in with that particular section. So first name, last name, email ID, student ID, class, semester, department, username, password, and confirm password. Then click on the registration button. Then click on OK button. Now log in with the same credentials @gmail.com. Then sign in button. It will show the student dashboard, show timetable, workload, and log out button. Okay, let's log out. Now log in with different email ID and password. Then click on sign in button. So it will show the timetables. You can see that click on view button. It will show the complete timetable with d- with the day wise and the time. Okay, if you click on the logout button, then it will log out that particular section. And this is the complete project. If you in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friend for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.